Adding sound effects to your video using VN Editor. In my previous video, I posted how to add sound effects using your CapCut application. As you all know, adding sound effects to your video using CapCut is one of those features of the CapCut that have entered their Pro version. If you are a free user of CapCut application, after adding sound effects to your video, you won't be able to export your work. So because of that, I want to show you here how you can still use VN Editor to add those sound effects to your video for you to be able to export your work. All right, so follow me. Let's do this. So to add sound effects to your video using VN Editor, go ahead and click on New Project to bring in the video file you want to add sound effects to. All right, so click on New Project. Pick a video that you want to work with. Let me go ahead and pick this particular video here. All right, so let me pick it. So right here we have our video in our editor. All right, so now to add sound effects to this video, go ahead and tap on this box here. As you can see, it says tap to add music, or you go ahead and tap on this music icon here. All right, to add your sound effect or background music. So go ahead and click on it. Now when you click on it, it's going to pop up three options for you. Now the first one is music. Do you want to add background music? Do you want to add sound effects, or do you want to record? Now this record actually is for voiceover. All right, we are still coming to that, so let's take them one after the other. The first one we have here is music. So click on this to add background music to your video. Now look at it. When you tap on music, it's going to bring you to this interface. When you come to this place, any of all these tiles or any of all these folders you click on is going to take you to their own stock sounds, just like in CapCut. So VN Editor has its own stock sounds that you can use on your video. All right, so when you tap on any of all these folders, you see their stock sounds in it. So that's their own stock sounds, but that's not what we are here for. We want to add our own sounds from our device storage. All right, so going forward, favorite is where you see the songs you've added to favorite that you've used before and you want to add them to favorite. So any song you add or sound effects you add to favorite, this is where you're going to see them. Then moving forward is what we want to do. So click on my music here. When you click on my music, this is where you're going to see the list of the songs you have on your phone. So as you can see, I have 1573 music or sounds in my device. All right, so when you click on it, it's going to list out the sounds, the music files or the audio files you have on your phone. All right, but quite unfortunate here, it's not like CapCut. If it were to be in CapCut, you will have option of searching for the sound here by yourself. But for this particular side, you have to keep scrolling till you see that particular music you want to add to your video. But then again, there's an option. Let me show you something here. Go back. Let's go back. Now, for you to be able to search for the sounds by yourself or the music by yourself, go ahead. Instead of clicking on this music library, this is what you do. You go ahead and click on this file app here. All right, click on file app. Then let me accept this prompt. So when you click on file app, this is where you are going to locate that folder where you have saved up that particular music you want to use as your background music. Then again, you can also search for the sound or the music itself here. So go ahead and click on this search button here. Click on search. Then you search for that sound or that music. For me, let me search for combo. There's actually a combination of sounds I've prepared so far for this particular video. All right, so when you search for the name of that sound you have saved up so far, this is how it's going to open up. So when it opens this way, then you go ahead and preview the sound before you use to ensure that it's the particular sound you are looking for that you've gotten so far. So go ahead and click on these four arrows here to preview. Click on it. All right, so after previewing the sound and it's that particular sound that you are looking for, you go ahead and either press and hold on the sound and click on select here, or you just go ahead and tap on the sound once. All right, just tap on it once, then it will bring it into your VN Editor. But the job is not yet done. This is unlike CapCut. If it were to be in CapCut, CapCut will take this sound straight to your editing screen, but right here there's a little difference. So when you tap on that sound to bring it into your VN Editor, it's going to ask you to add that sound to a folder. All right, so we have to create a new folder while importing our sound. So let's go ahead and click on this new here to create the folder. So click on new. Then let me go ahead and rename it my sounds. All right, my sound. Then you click on create album. Have you seen it? It has created, and that sound has been added to this folder. So this is where you are going to take the sound and add it to your editing screen. All right, so you go ahead and click on use here to use it straight. then you can as well click on this star here to add it to your favorite. All right, so let's go ahead and click on use. Then it will ask you to make some adjustments, which is not necessary now. So go, this is fade out and fade in. What these ones actually mean, I've explained these particular ones in CapCut. Fade in is to give the sound a smooth entry, while fade out is to give it a smooth exit. All right, so go ahead and click on this good here. Then the sound has been imported into my video. All right, so let's play and listen to it. Let's play. All right, so this is it. So that's how to add your background music or to add sound effects like we did before. So click on this box, then it will bring out the three options for you again. Now go ahead and click on effect. Now when you click on effect, it's going to bring you to their sounds they have here, just like in CapCut. So when you click on any of all these ones here, funny and all the rest of them, so you are going to see their stock sound effects. All right, so then if you want to use them, you go ahead and click on use, or you can click on this star here to add it to your favorite. So let me go ahead and click on use. If I want to use their own sound effect, have you seen it? It has been brought into my editing screen here. Let's see. So this is it. All right, now let's go back again. Click on this music icon again. Let's go back to effect. If you don't want to use any of their stock sounds here, then you go ahead and click on this my audio. My audio is where you click on to bring in the sound effect you've saved on your device already. So you click on my audio to choose from your device. Now when you click on my audio, you go ahead and click on this file app here. All right, click on file app. Then it will bring you to this place where you are going to search for the sound effect or the particular folder that you have saved your sound effect in your video so far. All right, so let's still go ahead and click on search again. Then let me search for something like, let's say, third sound, TUD. I have it here on my phone, TUD. I downloaded it, so this is it. So like I said before, when you want to preview the sound, go ahead and click on these three arrows here to preview the sound. These four arrows, sorry. Click on these four arrows to preview the sound effect. So after previewing and is sure that this is the sound you are looking for, so go ahead and tap on the sound. Now it will now ask you again to create another folder for it, just the way it requested for us to create folder when we are importing our music file. All right, the first one we did was bringing in music file. So you now go ahead and click on new again, then create a folder for it. Let me rename it my sound effects, then create album. Now any sound effect that I will be bringing into VN editor will be added into this particular. It will ask me whether I want to add it into this particular folder or not. Then any other music file I will be bringing in will ask me whether I want to add it to the other folder I created under music file. All right, so this is where you're going to open it. Then just as we did in music, then you go ahead and click on use here to add it to your video. So click on use, then it has been brought into my video here. Have you seen it? So you now go ahead and position it where you want it to be. Tap on it, hold it, and move it to where you want it to be. All right, so that's how to add your sound effects from your phone storage in VN editor. All right, so let's go back again. Still tap on the music icon again, then we go over to the third one, which is the voiceover. Tap on the music icon or on the box where it says tap to add music, then go ahead and click on record. It will bring you to the recording panel. Right here on the recording panel, this is where you are going to click to record your voice for voiceover content. When you want to do a voiceover content, there's actually two ways you can use to record your voice here. Like I said, when I did that with CapCut, you use the automatic recording or you use the manual recording. The automatic recording, which is number one, is by a single tap on this recording button, then it will count down from 3 to 1 and start recording your sound. All right, so after recording, if you are not okay with the sound you recorded, go ahead and click on this delete, then you delete it out. All right, then to step 2. Step 2 is actually manual recording. Now manual recording is by pressing and holding on the button, so whatever you'll be saying will be recorded into the video while you are holding that button. But I actually recommend step 2, which is the manual recording. All right, the reason for that is because step 2, which is manual recording, will give you time to breathe in and rest before you continue recording again, unlike step 1, which is automatic recording, because you'll be rushing talks and you will make a lot of mistakes while recording your sounds. Alright, so after recording, you go ahead and tick this good here if you are okay with the recording you made so far. To voice over your pictures, go ahead and click on new project to import the pictures you would like to add voice over to. Alright, so let me click on new project. Go over to photo here. Let me go over to photo. Go ahead and pick the pictures you would like to voice over. Alright, so let me go ahead and pick them. Then after that, let me go ahead and click on next. Then the pictures have been imported into my VN editor. Now to voice over these pictures here, go ahead and click on this, either this music icon, or you click on this box here, this music box here, tap to add music as usual. Alright, so go ahead and click on it. Then go ahead and click on record here. So on this panel, like I said earlier before, we have two methods you can use to add voiceovers to your pictures and your videos. We have the automatic and the manual recording. All right, the automatic, which is just a single tap on the recording button, then it will count down from 3 to 1 and starts recording your voice. Or the manual recording, which is tapping and holding the record button to add voiceover. So I'm going to use the manual recording, which is tapping to hold. All right, so I will go ahead and record my voice into these pictures, then come back to explain. All right, so let me go ahead and record. Then let me play the voice for you to listen to what I've recorded so far. Alright, so after recording, go ahead and tap on this good here. Alright, so let me go ahead and play it for you to listen to the voice I've recorded so far. Alright, the phone you are seeing here on my screen is Redmi Note 13. Have you seen it? So as you can see here, the picture is not up to the length of my audio. So what I'm going to do is to just tap on the picture at the tip of this picture, then drag it to the point where your audio ends, where your explanation ends. Alright, then let's play it again. The phone you are seeing here on my screen is Redmi Note 13. It comes with Super AMOLED screen with in-screen fingerprint, Type-C charging port, 5000 mAh battery, available in both 128 and 256 gig storage. Okay, so have you seen it? So after that, then you can now move over to another image to record. You go back again, tap on this music icon again, then click on record again to record another voiceover for this second image. All right, so let me go ahead and record. All right, so after recording, you still go ahead and tap on this good here. All right, so we bring you back to your editing screen. All right, so let me go ahead and play. The second phone you are seeing here on my screen is Redmi Note. All right, have you noticed now? So this particular picture is also short. So after recording your voice, if the picture you are recording the voice for is not up to the length of that voice you recorded, very simple, just tap on the picture, then drag it, tap on this arrow facing forward here, drag it to the end of your explanation about the picture, so that your explanation will not be saying another thing, your voiceover will not be saying another thing, and another picture will be showing. All right, so let me now go ahead and play. Okay, then this second phone you are seeing here on my screen is Redmi Note 14, also available in 128 gig storage and 256 gig storage. Comes with Super AMOLED screen also and in-screen fingerprint, Type-C charging port. All right, so then let me drag it. Type-C charging port. Still tap on the music icon. Let me add voiceover for the Technophone. Then after recording, if you noticed, the voiceover crossed over to the part of the Infinix. All right, so after recording, then scroll back, tap on the image you recorded the voice for. We recorded that voice for this particular third image. All right, then go ahead and tap on the image, drag it forward to meet the end of the voiceover you recorded for it. So let's go ahead and play. Okay, this particular phone you are seeing here on my screen again, this one is Tecno Spark 40, 4 gig RAM, 128 gig storage, 5000 mAh battery, Type-C charging port, and side-mounted fingerprints on the power button. We have now matched that particular picture. So let me go ahead and delete these other pictures in order not to waste time. So delete. Let me just leave only the images we have voiced over. After that, just go ahead and tap on your voiceovers. Tap on these audio files, then play them and delete the unnecessary parts. Let me play. The phone you are seeing here. Okay, you go ahead and delete the delays, those places where you've not started talking in the audio files. All right, then delete them out. Drag the audio to the position where they are ought to be. So position your images and your voices to be in line with each other, so that your voice note will not be saying another thing, your voiceover will not be saying another thing, and your image will not match what the audio is saying. All right, then still do that same thing to the whole of the images you have voiced over so far. All right, so let me Type-C charging port. Okay, Type-C charging port. Then still go ahead and tap delete this excess part of the image, split and delete. Then move over to the next image. So After that, you should have something like this. Phone you are seeing here on my screen is Redmi Note 13. It comes with Super AMOLED screen with in-screen fingerprint, Type-C charging port, 5000 mAh battery, available in both 128 and 256 gig storage. The second phone you are seeing here on my screen is Redmi Note 14, also available in 128 gig storage and 256 gig storage. Comes with Super AMOLED screen also and in-screen fingerprint, Type-C charging port. So that's how to voice over your pictures and your videos. So anytime you are adding voiceover, ensure that the voiceover you added aligns with the pictures on your screen or the action in the video you are voicing over. All right, so after that, you go ahead and click on export. So that's how to voice over. Then you go ahead and choose resolution. Let me leave it at 1080. You then export your video. All right, so to extract sound effects from other videos and add it to your own video in VN Editor, this is what you do. Go ahead and tap on this box here, or you tap on the music icon. All right, then it will still pop out these three options for you. So when it pops out these three options for you, since what we want to add is sound effects, so go ahead and click on this effect here. When you click on effect, it's going to bring you to this screen. Now we don't want to take their stock sounds which are saved in these folders. No, that's what we are here for. So we want to use our own sound effects from another video saved on the device. So this is what you do. Go ahead and click on this my audio here, then go ahead and also click on this extract from video. All right, so click on extract from video. It's going to take you straight to the videos you have on your phones. You go ahead and pick a particular video you want to extract sound from. For me, let me go ahead and extract sound from this particular video and add it to my own video. All right, so go ahead and click on the video you want to extract sound from. Alright, so this is the video I want to extract sound from that I want to add to my own video. Then when you come to this place, you go ahead and, before you go ahead and tick this good here, then you go ahead and click on this pencil here, click on it to rename this particular audio that you want to extract, so that you will easily identify it when you want to use it again on any video later. Alright, so let me go ahead and type combo sound. Alright, sound effects. Alright, then after renaming it, then go ahead and click on this good here, tick on the good here, then it will be imported into your video. Not just being imported into your video, it will also save it up for you. Let me show you where it has saved, so that anytime you want to use it, you will be able to see it. Now when you import any other video into your VN Editor that you want to use this same sound on, you go ahead and click on the music icon, then click on effects, then go ahead and click on this my audio here. Then you will see it under this extracted from video. All right, so click on it. So have you seen it? Combo sound effect. So this is it. So that's where the sound has been saved up so far. So anytime you want to use it again on any video, then you go there and see it. All right, let me play. All right, so after extracting the sound, you go ahead and position the sounds to the place where you want them to be in the video to match the actions in the video. All right, so that the sound effect will not be sounding the other way around and the action in the video will be another thing. All right, so then you can still go ahead and tap on it, split and delete out the part you don't want. That's it. That's how to extract sounds from other videos and add them to your video using VN Editor.